Improve your memory right now. You read something and forget it 10 minutes later. You study for hours, but during exams, your mind goes blank. It's frustrating. It makes you feel like maybe you're just not smart enough. But here's the truth. Your memory is not weak. You've just never been taught how to use it properly. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to improve your memory starting right now. Let's fix the real problem first. You don't forget because your brain is bad. You forget because your brain is protecting you. Your brain deletes anything it thinks is not important. So when you read passively or scroll while studying, your brain says, "This doesn't matter." Delete. That's why rereading doesn't work. That's why long study hours don't guarantee results. Memory is not about time. It's about attention and meaning. So, step 1 is simple. Stop being passive. Start being active. Here's something you can try immediately. Study anything for 5 minutes. Then close your book and ask yourself, what do I remember? Not looking, not cheating, just thinking. This is called active recall. It forces your brain to work. And when your brain works, it remembers. Quick steps. Study a small chunk, close everything, recall out loud or write it, check mistakes, and repeat once. It feels harder, but that's exactly why it works. But memory gets even stronger when you do one more thing. They don't just read, they connect. Your brain loves stories, patterns, and weird images. So instead of memorizing boring facts, turn them into something crazy. Example, trying to remember a date? Imagine that number as a scene. Make it funny, make it weird, make it visual. Because the brain remembers what stands out. Quick methods. Turn info into a story. Use crazy visual images. Link new info to something you already know. The stranger it is, the better you remember. Here's where most students go wrong. They study something once and expect to remember forever. That's not how memory works. You need to revise at the right time. Not too early, not too late. This is called spaced repetition. Simple plan. Study today, revise after 1 day, revise after 3 days, revise after 7 days. Each time you revisit, your memory becomes stronger. Less effort, more retention. Now, imagine doing all this, but your brain is tired, distracted, and overloaded. That's where most people lose the game. Memory is not just a technique, it's a state of mind. If you're sleep-deprived, distracted, stressed, you cannot remember well. So fix these basics. Sleep at least 6 to 8 hours, drink enough water, study in short, focused sessions, 25 to 40 minutes. Remove your phone while studying. Simple, right? But powerful. Because a calm brain equals a sharp memory. Listen, you're not bad at studying. You're just tired of trying in the wrong way. And that frustration, that feeling of, why can't I remember anything? I get it. But now you know what to do. Let's quickly recap. Stop passive studying, use active recall, make things visual and weird, revise using spacing, fix your brain state. Don't wait for tomorrow. Try just one technique today, because small changes create massive results over time. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who struggles with memory. And remember, you don't need more time. You just need a better system.